This is the demonstration of the enthalpy of vaporization. Today we will be looking at how to determine the enthalpy of vaporization of water. To begin, we need to construct our experimental apparatus, which uses a bottomless 10 milliliter graduated cylinder and using rubber bands attach it to a thermometer so that the 10 degrees Celsius mark lines up with the 1 milliliter mark. Next, we're going to add enough deionized water so that when we invert the graduated cylinder, we'll have an air bubble at the top of the graduated cylinder that's only a few milliliters. Also, we make sure we record the room's temperature and current atmospheric pressure during our experiment. We then lower our inverted and stoppered test tube into our beaker and record the volume of the bubble at the top of the graduated cylinder. Make sure there's enough water in the beaker that the test tube remains submerged throughout the entire experiment. Once we turn on our heating plate, we will heat our water and apparatus until we reach 85 degrees Celsius. Once we reach 85 degrees Celsius, we're going to remove the beaker with our experimental apparatus together off of the hot plate onto the bench top. Notice the use of the heat-resistant glove to keep from burning myself during the removal of the hot beaker from the hot plate. If you're doing this in a lab setting, it may be useful to do this with the help of a peer. Starting at 80 degrees Celsius, we're going to record every 2 to 5 degree change and measure the volume of the bubble in the graduated cylinder. provided data point can be used to create a graph and figure out the enthalpy of vaporization of water. Thank you for watching.